So we are here in our office building that we are now developing a new location for one of our clients, and we're here with Mark. You guys seen him a couple times before in our other videos, Mark the Movers, but he also has a moving company, right? Bustani Movers?
Yeah, it's Bustani Movers, which is Swahili for garden.
Garden.
Yeah, so I'm into gardens and stuff, and instead of the name, it was just natural for me because I like beautiful gardens. So Bustani.
Say it again.
Bustani.
Bustani. I've been saying it wrong. I say all of everything in Swahili I say wrong anyway. I just bear with me. So we've been using Mark for about a year now. It's been about a year?
More than a year. Doing 1 year and 1.5 years probably.
Right.
Yeah.
So how is it working with ARS?
Okay, it just started out as...
Don't say, you did a deep sigh.
No, because I have to go back to that time when we first met. I didn't know it would go into 1.5 years. That's crazy because we've worked for so many people.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and it's been one of the easiest, fun. It's been easy because we meet a lot of people who are very friendly. We've made friends who are not even from Kenya. And it's interesting just listening to their views on certain matters.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I hope it goes on for a very long time. Thank you for letting us be your movers.
Yeah, you've worked for like many of our clients, moved us in like before they even get there, so you don't really get to see the full product. Yeah. I think maybe once or twice you've seen the full all the way. He's the guys that be there late at night when we're waiting on deliveries and trying to get that stuff in. These are the guys that are there helping us. His people come in, they help us hang curtains, they hang up the TVs and do all of that great stuff. So now we're going into office settings, and you see here he is again.
Yeah, it's been excellent. It's been tough sometimes.
You can be honest.
I've seen you when you're tired, and sometimes
I'm tired.
Everything is just seems to be falling apart.
And I start cussing and fussing.
Yeah,
I'm not even gonna fake it. Yeah.
Funny, you always find a way to make things work because sometimes it seems like nothing is working. Then all of a sudden everything is. So credit to you, and of course Sharifa, Muhammad, and everybody else. Yeah, you guys do a lot of work. Sometimes I see the pressure, and of course we are here just to try and ease it. I hope we do a good job though.
Yeah, you do.
I don't know what your clients say. Maybe
they're happy, right?
Yeah.
They come back for more, so they definitely are happy. Nobody's TV fell down yet, so we greatly appreciate all that you guys do for us, and we'll continue on this good relationship.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay, so as you guys can see, we're just fresh in the new office. It's not our office, but it is our client's office. And they just had the walls painted yesterday, and now we're dealing with bringing in the office furniture. And Mark can give you a little bit more explanation on what they're doing today.
Yeah, so we're just doing some deliveries from Pandamat, and we deliver it here, and then we're gonna put up the workstations. So there's this huge room, and there's that office over there. So we just let me walk around the world. This is Patrick. He's been with us for about 6 years, same as Madenge, and that is Wet. So this is part of the team. We actually have a bigger team for this, depending on the scope of work, of course. So this is a small, Martin's office, so we're gonna set it up as well, the workstation. And we have this huge space over here.
They're gonna put the big conference table.
It's the big conference table.
Okay.
How many seats?
8 seats.
8 seats.
So
yeah,
it's the boardroom right
it's
here.
the boardroom right here, so we're gonna put it up. It's an IT company coming up. So in this room, so basically we just set up this furniture and leave your space. Leave your space nice.
Yeah, so as you can see, we are working hard trying to get the office together. Everything should be done. We'll show you the final clippings of that. But again, we're doing listen, if you want to open up a business in Kenya, we are now going into that. We have the legal team available to help you get everything in compliance. And it's going to be an easy transition for you. That's one of the things we strive to do, make it really easy for you to relocate, set up your business, and just enjoy Kenya.